Hello there. My name is La, and I'll be talking to you this morning about where I am here and what I'm doing here. If you look all around me here, you can see this is a very beautiful area, and we are in the mountain region. And I've been traveling around with friends. You could see the mountain range behind me. I've been traveling around with friends and family to many exotic places here in Asia, and I've been able to do this because of the online business education, which I joined about a year ago through the introduction of an acquaintance who introduced me to this wonderful community of digital entrepreneurs to help me to set up multiple income streams online, as you know, to be able to pursue my passion, which one of them is traveling, and also to be able to spend more time, quality time, I must say, with my family and friends. So if you would like to find out about this process, just click the button below, and I'll send a copy of video to you of the process that you can follow, and you follow this process, and you will find out for yourself how this program can also help you, as it has helped me. You see, about a year ago, if somebody told me that I'll be able to do what I'm doing now, traveling around the world and visiting all these special places, you know, I'll probably say it's impossible. Before I actually got involved with this online business education, you know, I have a thriving business. I provided education, quality education for kids from underprivileged homes, and we kept the price very low for these kids, so that they will be able to, you know, afford this education that they wouldn't have had access to in the first place. Okay, but the problem with that was that my business model was actually using the backpackers to help out, to provide the education for these kids. And when the pandemic happened, everything stopped. No more backpackers, and we couldn't transition to online. You know, the reason for that being that they cannot even afford the devices to connect online to continue to study. And as a result of that, I used a better part of 2 years paying rent and utilities on the premises, and this, you know, almost led to financial ruin for me and my family. And I thought then that, okay, what else have I got to lose that I wasn't losing already? So I took a plunge, and I decided to see where it leads. And fortunately, it has led to where I am today. And I have to say here that it wasn't easy, because nobody said it would. It demands serious hard work. For one, you know, you will have to handle the technical side of things. For somebody like me, you know, even though I'm not particularly a technophobe, but I'm not tech savvy either. And but that wasn't really a problem, as long as you know, I was willing to follow the instruction, to be dedicated, and to see through everything that I was being given, and all the help that I needed was being provided. So if you feel that okay, you will also like this particular process that has helped me to break free from 9 to 5 grueling daily routine, and not knowing where your next paycheck is going to come from, and everything, your income, everything is fixed, and you keep working for another person, helping them to build their businesses, while your life is going down south with more or less nothing to show for it, either to yourself or to your family. So it's time now to invest in yourself and take a plunge like I did, and invest in yourself into this program. Just click the button below, and I'll be sending a free video copies to you that you can go through and learn the very basic steps of all the things that you're going to need. Next thing here is that you don't even have to leave your job. Maybe you are comfortable in what you're doing right now. You don't have to stop what you're doing right now. Okay? Building online business doesn't mean that you have to pull a plug on what you're doing already. No, you can do both of them in tandem, and when you have achieved the freedom income, then you can decide to leave whatever you're doing and focus strictly on your business and on yourself. Just out of curiosity, you take a look. Okay, take a look, see if what you find out resonates with you or not. If it resonates with you, then take a plunge and see where it leads. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. But at least you will have taken the road. A road untaken will always remain the road ahead. So click the button below. I'll send you your free copies of video to get you started, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.